Illegal Bangladeshi migrants are going back to Bangladesh from West Bengal as soon as BJP has won the elections. Come, read with me. Dhaka raises push-in issue. India seeks faster repatriation of illegal Bangladeshis. Now, India has asked Bangladesh to speed up the process of taking back its citizens who are living illegally in India. Now, this issue became active again after BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, won the West Bengal elections because border states like West Bengal, Assam are directly affected by the migration from Bangladesh. The article says India has around 2,862 pending cases where people suspected to be Bangladeshi nationals are waiting for nationality verification from Bangladesh. In simple words, India says, we think these people are your citizens, please confirm so we can send them back legally. Bangladesh's foreign minister had also reacted to alleged push-in incidents that people were being informally pushed across borders. Bangladesh said it would act if such incidents happened. Now, India clarified that repatriation, which is sending back people, must happen through law, procedure and bilateral agreements, not informally. The background is India and Bangladesh share a 4,098 kilometer border, one of the longest land borders in the world. Because of poverty and job opportunities, porous borders, historical migration after partition of India and the Bangladesh Liberation War, migration between both countries has remained a sensitive issue for decades. Border states like the West Bengal and Assam often raise concerns about demographic change, pressure on jobs, resources, security issues, identity politics. This is why illegal migration becomes such a security issue and a political issue as well. There are multiple dimensions of this news. The first is the internal security dimension. Illegal migration can create challenges in border management, identity verification and law enforcement. Second is the diplomacy dimension. India needs Bangladesh's cooperation because deportation is impossible unless Bangladesh confirms the citizenship. Then there is a federal politics dimension. Border issues affect state politics, especially in West Bengal and Assam, where migration is a major election topic. Then there is a humanitarian angle as well. Not everyone crossing borders is a criminal. Many migrate due to poverty, climate issues and family connections as well. And lastly, the water diplomacy. Article also mentions the Teesta River water sharing issue. The Teesta agreement has been pending for years due to objections from West Bengal, showing how state politics can affect foreign policy. Now, this becomes highly relevant for GS Paper 2 International Relations, GS Paper 3 Internal Security. Important keywords for answer writing are repatriation, border management, cooperative federalism, neighborhood first policy and illegal migration versus refugee debate. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.